ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम. So yesterday we have finished Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana and not yesterday, in last class we finished Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana and we started Ajanta Strilinga Shabda. Ajanta Strilinga Prakarana, the first Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga, Rama Shabda is taken. Now there is no Akaranta Shabda in Strilinga, Akaranta Shabdas are there in Strilinga. Almost all Shabdas are Akaranta or Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Akaranta Shabdas are there in Strilinga. All Akaranta Shabdas are formed using either tap or dap or chap, these pratyas, or nip, nish, nin, these pratyas. So Ikaranta Shabdas will be formed using this nip, nish, nin, these pratyas, and Akaranta Shabdas using these three pratyas. At the end, the Rupa becomes Akaranta, whether it is tap or dap or chap. At the end, Anga becomes Dirgha Ikaranta, whether it is Gip, Nish, Gin, whatever. Now, in general, they are called Abanta or Nyanta Shabdas. Whatever the Strilinga Shabda ends with A is considered as Abanta. So, Ap is the constant in tap, dap, chap. And E is the constant, or Ni is the constant in all Nip, Nish, Nin. So therefore they are called Ni or Nyanta Shabda Rupa, Abanta Shabda Rupa. Now Abanta Shabda is taken first, which is Rama Shabda, and that is being declined here. We had already seen the Prakriya when we were seeing this Jaraya Jara Sanyatarasyam. For that we needed it. Again, since the Prakarana has started, so therefore we have to see, that's why we are just kind of revision we are doing. Avanga Apaha Sutra we saw. So Rama, the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, the Sup Pratyaya comes in front of Rama, and then that Sa disappears, we get Rama. Then for Dvivachana Pratyaya we get She. Aunga, Aunga is the new name which is given to the Au and Out, these two Aukaranta, the Aukara Swarupa Pratyayas, which are Au and Out. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachan, Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan. That Aunga Apaha Abantat Angat Parasya Aunga Shisyat. So Au and Out, they are replaced by She. Sha disappears, Dirgha Ikara remains, and Rama, that Akara and that Dirgha Ikara together Guna Sandhi happens, we get Rame, this form. Rame, Rame. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachan, Rame, Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan, Rame. Rama, Rame, then the Bahuvachana, Ramaha. Just Pratyay is there. Purva Savarna Dirgha takes place, Ramaha form we get. Then Ramam, Ami Purvaha takes place, we get Ramam. Again Rame, Aunga Apaha, Aungaha Shisyat, Abantat. So Out gets replaced by She. Again Sha disappears, we get E, A, E, Rama, E, Rame. Same form. Then Rama, Dhana Shas. Sha disappears, As remains, and then again Prathama Purva Savarnaha. Since it is not Pullinga, therefore the Tasmat Chasuna Punsi is not applied, Ramaha. So Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha. That's what the form we get. Then we come to the next sutra, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Rama Ta. In this situation, Ta disappears by Chutu and Tasya Lopa, it gets its out and then it disappears. And we jump to the next sutra. We skipped one sutra because Sambodhana we kept aside. Directly we went to Tritiya Vibhakti. Rama, ta, Rama, a, ta, which is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya, is also named as ang. This is another name which is given to the ta Pratyaya. That also we had seen. So ta is named as ang. Now angi apah ekarah syat. So ap akara will be replaced by ekara when there is ang, which is a, which is ta pratyaya. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana. So Tritiya Vibhakti I is there, Rama akara is there. That Rama akara, akara of Rama, is replaced by ekara. We get Rame, then a. Rame a, ekara again gets replaced by I, by echoyava yavah. Ramay a, Ramaya. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana form is derived. Now in the meaning of sutra, ani osi cha pare, osi part is not used here. Just we took this first meaning. Apah angi pare sati ekarah syat. Okay. Osi pare sati apah ekarah syat. That meaning we will see when the os pratyay will be there. So Ramaya, that form we got. Ramadhana bhyam Ekvachan was done and we were here now. Rama bhyam. No prakriya happens, just Rama bhyam. Just we need to connect them and form is ready. Rama dhana is form is ready. Rama bhihi. Sasajushoruhu kharavasanir visarjaniyah. Rama dhana. Here some prakriya is going to happen. Let's go step by step. Rama dhana nga will get its saudhya, it will disappear and we will get a. Sutra is lashakva tadhite lopah. Now this in this situation, next sutra is coming. Let's read the sutra. Yadapah, 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 yat apah. This is the meaning. This condition is here. I will take it here. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana we are doing. Rama dhana nge. Rama dhana. Okay. Then Rama. In this situation, some work is happening. What is that work? Let's see. Yat apah. Apah nitah yat syat. Apah nitah yat syat. Yat syat is the main sentence. Yat syat. Going to come as agama. Okay, this is tit agama. Ta is going to be it in this yat. So it is tit agama. Okay. And agama, adyantau takitau. For whatever that yat is asked, it will come as adi or anta. Yat, the tit will come adi, kit will come as anta. Yat syat, yat is coming as agam. May yat come. For what? What is the sthani for that? Nitah. In the place of nit or for nit. Instead of calling nitah sthane, call it for nit. Yat will come as agama. Okay, that means it will not disturb nit, it will sit next to it. So nitah yat syat. When? What is the condition? Apah. When it is preceded by ap. When nit pratyayas are preceded by ap, yat will come agama to the nit pratyayas. So for example, ap is abanta, understand it as abanta. Dhana, nge, nit pratyayas are these. Ap, dhana, ngasi. Ap, ngas. Ap, na, ni. These are the nit pratyayas. for them yat agama will come by this sutra. So aap dhana nge, art will come and then nge. This is what the condition will be there. Aap dhana art then nasi. Aap dhana, yes, art will come and then art and then further prakriya will take place. Sorry, I am saying art. Yat should it. It should be yat. 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 Apah ngitah yat syat. Yat agamah syat. So full meaning will be apah ngitah yat agamah syat. Yat agamah syat. Ngitah. So ngit pratyayanam bracket ngit pratyayanam yat agamah syat. Apah abantat. Apah meaning will be abantat angat. ngitah ngit pratyayanam yat agamah syat. Now we were here. Rama nge, Rama a na disappears and then we get a. Here comes yat, then there is a. Sutra is yadapah. Rama dhana ya, ta disappears, a is there. Alantyam now what will happen here? This is sutra karya is over. This much only sutra karya was there. Vriddhi will happen. So Rama dhana ya akara and ekara, between these I and a, both of them will disappear. A will disappear, a will disappear, Buddhi Ekadesha will come here, which is I. Praise Vridhireche. Form is ready. Rama Yai. Rama Yai. The prakriya is clear?
Yes, ji.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति द्विवचन रमा धनभ्याम. Again no vishishta prakriya. Form is ready. Ramabhyam. Rama dhanabhyas shoruhu kharavasanayor visarjaniyah ramabhyah. Rama dhana ngase. Now what will happen the prakriya?
Yadapah. Yadapah.
Rama dhana yat pas. Sutra is yadapah. Apah yat agamah syat bhavati. You can make the vritti. Ta will disappear. A and the Rama. A then a and then sa. Yeah. A will disappear. A will disappear. Sa will remain. What will come here? A and A, both of them will disappear. Sandhi will happen. Which Sandhi will happen?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi will happen. So A will come. स is remaining. अकः सवर्णे दीर्घः. Now sa will turn into ru. Ramayas. That's what he is getting. Ramayas. Sa sajushorhu kharavasanoir visarjini. Ramayaru. Ramayar. Then final form is ready. Ramayaha. Sutra is kharavasanoir विसर्जनीयः. खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः रमायाः. रमा धनभ्याम. नो विशिष्ट प्रक्रिया. फॉर्म इज रेडी. रमाभ्याम. रमा धनभ्यस. नो स्पेशल थिंग. जस्ट ससरुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः रमाभ्याः. रमाभ्याः. Rama Dhanangas. What will happen here?
Yat Agama.
Yat Agama will happen because it is in it. Rama Yat As. Sutra is Yadapaha. Then next is st will disappear. Halantyam tasya lopah. Ya will remain. Ya akara of ya and a. Dirgha sandhi will take place. Ya, a, sa. Ma. Yeah, 0, 0, sa. Both of them will, because this 2 0, the reason of 2 0 is we know this is ekadesha. Ekadesha adhikara is there. Ekah purva parayoho. That is the sutra. That is the reason where the adesha comes in the place of both the letters, not in the place of one. So therefore both of them are getting disappeared. Brahma. A will come. Akasavarne dirgha sa. Ramayas. Ramayaru. Ramayar. Sasajushoruhu. Upadeshe janunasike tasya lopah. Then Ramayar, Ramayar, and then final form ra turning into visarga, we get Ramayaha. Kharavasanoyor visarjaniya. Rama Dhana Os. Correct. We are in Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachana. Rama Dhana Os. Now what will happen here?
Angi Chapah.
Angi Chapah. Angi Cha Apah. Angi Cha is important. Cha is important. Here comes Ekara. A is replaced by Ekara. There is one sutra. This is the order. This is the Angi Chapah sutra is saying that Angi Osi Cha Apah Ekara Hasyat. And how that OC is coming? It's coming. Here it is. This is 104th sutra. Osicha bahuvachane jhali et ekara hasyat bahuvachane jhali akarantasya angasya, and we get ramebhyah Ramebhyah, Rameshu. These are the ekaranta. That ekara adesh is happening to akara. Here osicha, when there is os pratyay in front of akaranta anga, that time also Rama becomes Rame and then os. Rame, os, Ramayos. Ramayos and then Ramayohu. Ramayohu. Angi chapah, here the abantasya angasya आंगी परे सति एकारः एत् स्यात् एकारः स्यात् ओसी परे सति अपि आपः आकारस्य एकारः स्यात् एत् स्यात्. That is the vritti. That's how the vritti is formed. So if we, okay, let's come back. We will finish this. So that is how the os is coming. आंगी परे सति आपः एकारः स्यात् आपः आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. ओसी परे सति आपः आबन्तस्य अंगस्य आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. That is the meaning. आंगी चापः सूत्र is applicable. आंगी चापः we get rame. Let's not connect a os here. A now will be replaced by which sandhi will happen here?
Ayadi.
Echo yavayavah os sutra echo ayavah. Rama yos, then Ramayoru, then Ramayor. Karavasanayor visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Ramayoho. This what Ashtadhyaya I showed. Reason is now, if we know the bunch of sutras, now this is the prakarana. What prakarana is going on of ekara. Ekara adesh is happening. Now bahuvachane jhali et syat. So atah bahuvachane jhali et syat. Osi api et syat. Angi cha abantasya et syat. Sambuddhau cha apah et syat. Osi pare api apah et syat. These are the vrittis. Now if we know this group of sutras together in Ashtadhyayi, then we don't really need to memorize the vritti of each and every sutra separately. Group of sutras together, prakarana we know, and the karya of sutras we know. So nimitta we know, sthani we know, the karya also we know, and the vrittis also we don't need to memorize for separately, say for separate sutra. So that's why if we take Ashtadhyayi with the study of Siddhanta Kaumudi or Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, it becomes more helpful. Now let's come to the Rama Shabda. Shashti Bhakti Dvivachana is ready. They're done. Now Rama, Dhana, Am. Shashti Bhakti Bahuvachan. What will happen here? Rasva, Rasvantat, Nadyantat, Abantat. Angat, Amah, Nutsyat. So Nut will come for this Am when it is preceded by Hrasvantanga, Nadyantanga, Abantanga. Rama is Abantanga. Therefore Nut will come. Nut, Am. Svanadhyapo Nut. Rama, Dhana, Na, U will disappear, Ta will disappear, Am. Then we will get Rama, Dhana, then we will get final form. Rama, no, not final form. One more karya will happen. What will happen? Correct. Atkup Wangnum Vyavayepi, Anatva will happen. धन णाम. व्यवायेपि. रमा धनंगी.
RNG. Do we need to say Nami even though it is already Dirgha? Do we have to mention Nami?
Yes. Nami pare ajantangasya dirghasya, that is the common rule. So this is means whether we should apply that sutra or not, because already Karya is Siddha. So I didn't mention it, but it is applicable. Parjanyaval Lakshana Pravritti, it doesn't see whether work is there, whether it is needed, whether there is a need of that or not. It will be applicable if the conditions are fulfilled. So the example given is, when it rains, it rains. It doesn't see whether it is desert or ocean. If it starts raining, it doesn't think that, oh, it is already water there, so no need of falling there, let me fall on the desert. No, it will rain, it will rain. So this is the reason. Rama then E will disappear by Lashakotadhyate Silopa. Next, what will happen here?
Yadapa.
Yadapa. Yad agama will come to the Nit Pratyaya, which is Nit Pratyaya. Yat agama syat. Dhana ya a e. What will happen now? Oh, wait. Just skip this part. Before that, some work is going to happen. Rama Dhana Ni. Some other work is going to happen. One sutra is applicable. That will be applicable, and then we will apply this sutra. Neram Nadyam Nibhya. Ni will turn into Am. Sutra is Neram Nehe. Okay, Neram Nadyam Nibhya. This is the sutra. How it is split is Nehe Aap Nadi. Sorry, Nehe Aap. Sorry, Am. Nehe Am Syat. When Nadi, Aap and Ni. Nadyabhyah, Nibhyah. Nehe Am Syat. When Nadi, Aap, Nibhyah. So Nadi, Aap, Nibhyah, Nehe Am Syat. Take it, change the order, and then we get this meaning. Neram Nadyam Nibhyah. So Anga should be Nadyanta, Abanta, or Nyanta, or Ni Anga should be there. Okay, Vyapadeshit Bhavena, we can take Ni itself as the Nyanta Anga. So Nadyantat, Abantat, Nyantat, or Ni Angat. Nehe Am Syat. Ni will be replaced by Am. Am will be the Adesha in the place of Ni. So here there is Abanta Anga, and from there is Ni Pratyaya. Ni will be replaced by Am. Now, whatever was the qualities of Ni are the qualities in the Am. Am will be considered as Ni. Sthanivat Adesha. Whatever the Adesha is there, that Adesha will be considered as Sthani. No change will be accepted. It's not that, okay, earlier it was Ni, now it is Am. Earlier it was Sup. Now this is not Sup. This is not counted in the Sup. No. Whatever the qualities were in the Ni will be passed to the Adesha also. Now this is also considered as Ni. Therefore, Yat Agama, Nitam Yat Agama Hasyat is possible even this condition. So, Rama Yat Am. Sutra is Yadapa. And on what basis we could bring the yat agama? It is not nihit. So in bracket, स्थानिवदादेशो स्थानिवदादेशो नल्विधौ स्थानिवत् आदेशः भवति. This is the meaning. In short, I will write the meaning here. स्थानिवत् आदेशः भवति. आदेशः भवति. This is the meaning. Am will be considered as ni, and then yat agama will happen. Now, Rama, Dhana, Ya, A, and then Am. What will happen here?
Ramayam.
Ramayam. Dirgha Desha will take place. Will come. Sutra is Ayam. Then comes this Dhana Os. This is Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachan. What will happen here?
Angi chakaha.
Angi. So here Angi Chapah. Before that, I will. Getting replaced by A by Ange Chapah. Now, what will happen next?
Rame plus O.
H-O-Y-A. A will be replaced by I. Then there is Os. So it is Ramayos. That's what we will get. Then Ramayoru. Then Ramayor. Who will disappear by Upadeshe Jano Nasikait. Tasya Lopah. Form is ready. Ra will turn into Visarga. Sasajukoruhu. Sorry. Kharavasanayar Visarjaniya. Form is ready. Ramayoho. Nasup. What will happen here?
Ramasu.
Nothing will happen. It is not in pratyaya or in pratyara letter. So simply su will remain as it is and we will get form. Ramasu. Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Now let's come to the Sambodhana Ekvachan where we are going to use the Prathama Vibhakti Pratyas. Rama Dhana Su. What will happen here? Lopa is Prapta. Correct? That's what we did for Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. But one sutra.
I'll give you the.
हल ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घ श्रुति से प्रोक्तम हल will make sir to disappear. But one sutra is applicable here, which we skipped. Let's come back to the sutra. Here there is sutra. 17th sutra to 17. Let's read the sutra. Sambuddhau cha, sambuddhau cha, sambuddhau cha. Our condition, we are here working. Rama Dhanasu, which is Sambodhanasu. Rama Dhanasa, who has disappeared. Upadeshe Janu Nasika it. Rama Dhanasa. This is the condition. Sutra is saying Ekarah Syat. Ekarah Syat. May Ekara happen. Ekara will happen to whom? So it is saying that Apah Ekarah Syat. Apah Ekarah Syat. Abantasya Angasya Ekarah Syat. Abantasya Angasya means what? Tadantasya. Antyasya Alah Ekarah Syat. So Alontyasya Sutra is Paribhasha Sutra. Here we have to understand that wherever the Adesha is supposed to happen, then that will happen not to the whole word but to the last letter. So thus Abanta Anga Akara will be replaced by Ekara. Apaha Ekara Syat, Abantasya Angasya Akarasya Ekara Syat. That is the meaning. What is the situation? What is the condition? So Sambuddhau Apaha Ekara Syat. When Sambuddhi Pratyay is there, Sambuddhi Saudnyaka Pratyay is there, then it will be it will turn into Ekara. Now we know Sambuddhi is the name given to Su of Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan when it is used for Sambodhana Artha. So Su is Sambuddhi Saudnyaka Pratyaya of Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. This is Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan Su Pratyaya. So Sambuddhau Pratyaye Pare Sati Apah Sambuddhau Pratyaye Pare Sati Ekarah Syat. Akarasya Ekarah Syat. This is the meaning. So we were here. Ramasa Ram A Dhanasa. Sa is Sambuddhisu. And then there is A of Abantanga. Rama is Abantanga. Apah Abantat Angat. Sambuddhau Pratyaye Pare Sati. Sambuddhi Pratyay is there. Pratyaye Pare Sati. Akarasya Ekarah Syat. So Ram A. Sa. Buddhaucha. Sutra. Ram Rame Dhana Sa. This is the condition. Now, then what will happen? Next. Eng Hraswaditi Sambuddhi Lopaha. Eng Hraswad Sambuddhe. This sutra will be applicable. Engantat Hraswantat Sambuddhi Lopa takes place. So Sa will disappear. Why? The Rame, this Anga is Enganta. Eng is there at the end. So Ram A, which is Engantam, will disappear. It is Eng Hraswat Sambuddhe. Eng Hraswat Sambuddhe. Form is ready. Rame. To indicate it is Sambodhana. Rame. He Rame. Prathama Sambodhana Ekvachana. This is how the sutra is applicable. Sutra meaning is clear. Apah Ekarah Syat Sambuddha आपः संबुद्ध आपः आबंतात अंगात आपः आबंतात अंगात संबुद्धौ प्रत्यय परे सति आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. This is the full meaning of संबुद्धौ च. This is again coming in the same topic. If we can see बहुवचने झलि एत् स्यात् अतः अंगस्य बहुवचने झलि एत् स्यात्. ओसि अपि अतः अंगस्य झलि ओसि अपि अतः अंगस्य एत् स्यात्. आपः आङि ओसि च एत् स्यात्. आपः संबुद्धौ अपि एत् स्यात्. Same topic, same karya is happening, ekara is happening. Okay. Thus meaning is this. This is the meaning. And then in Rasvat Sambuddhi Lopa, we did Sambuddhi Lopa and we got the Herame form. Now, Rama Dhana. Oh, what will happen here?
Aungapah.
Aung apah. Rama abantat angat aungah. What will happen? Isyat. Aung apah. abantat angat aung iti संज्ञकस्य प्रत्ययस्य aung iti औ and out iti अनयोः संज्ञा. अौंगः आपः शी स्यात्. रमा धन श will disappear. दीर्घ ईकार will remain. लशक्व तद्धिते लोपः. It is working very fast today. That's not a perfect time. Rama ram a ikara is there, dirgha ikara. What will happen here now? A will disappear, E will disappear, then we will get ekara. Sutra is so form is ready. Again Rami. Ekavachana and dvivachana of akaranta strilinga form in Sambodhana is same. The indicator for Sambodhana is He Rame. He Rame, He Rame. Now, Rama Dhanajas. What will happen here? What will happen here? प्रथमः पूर्वसवर्णः. Correct. अकः प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घः स्यात्. अकः सवर्णे अचि दीर्घः स्यात् किन्तु अकः प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः दीर्घः स्यात्. विशेष विधानम is there. Though the work is same. With akasavarna dirgha also work will happen. The same work will happen, and prathamayo purva savarna also same work will happen. So we will apply the prathamayo purva savarna, which is specifically talking about the prathamayo bhakti pratyas. So we will bring.
That will be badita.
No, akasavarna will be badita by prathamayo purva savarna.
Prathamayo purva savarna also will be badita, right?
By whom? Jashi. जी प्रथमयो पूर्वसवर्णः अक्वर्णात् प्रथमा द्वितीय विभक्ति हो अजादित प्रत्यय परे पूर्वरूप एकादेश दीर्घ दीर्घात् स्वरात् प्रथमा द्वितीयो इच वर्णे परे तथा प्रथमा बहुवचन से जस प्रत्यय परे प्रथम पूर्वसवर्ण इत्यादि पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घ करेक्ट सत्यम सत्यम that will also be बाधित by दीर्घात जसीचा so akassavarne दीर्घ will be प्राप्त that will be बाधित by प्रथमयो पूर्वसवर्णः again it will be बाधित by दीर्घात जसीचा so for akaranta anga दीर्घात जसीचे will come because it is दीर्घ ikara दीर्घ akaranta दीर्घांत it is so again akassavarne दीर्घ only will be applicable. Had I given something else answer in the yesterday? I think after class we had discussion.
After class we had discussion.
And I had
But
said
this was not
discussed. Okay. So here A will come, Sa is there. Let's put it here in the bracket. I will put or Akah savarne इति दीर्घादेशे इति अनेन दीर्घादेशे प्राप्ते प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः इत्यनेन तस्य बाधः भवति पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घादेशः च भवति अतः अपि प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः दीर्घाजसि च इत्यनेन निषेधः भवति अकः वर्णे दीर्घः इत्यस्य च प्रवृत्तेन निर्बाधा ततश्च सवर्ण दीर्घादेशः इव So form is Ramas. Ramas will turn into Ramaru. Sasajuforuhu. Who will disappear by Upadeshe Janonasikait Tasya Lopah? We will get Ramar. Then Ra will turn into Visarga. We will get Ramaha. Sutra is Ravasanayor Visarja Niya. Because it is Sambodhana, He Ramaha. He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. That's how we got the form. So here, Akaranta, this is clear, this discussion is clear, na?
SG.
So Akaranta Strilinga Shabda is done. Here it is. I think I have declined. No, I have not declined. So here, in short, once again, Rama Rame Ramaha. Okay, Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha. So Rama, simply the sir disappears. Then sorry, Aunga Apaha. This is the sutra which we newly studied. So Aukara is replaced by she. Then Dirgha Prakriya, which is normal Prakriya. Am, there is no special Prakriya. Again, out is replaced by she. Again, specific Prakriya by Aunga Apaha. Bahuvachan, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, no Prakriya. There is special Prakriya. Angicha Apaha. Angicha Apaha Ekarah Syat. Abantasya Angasya Akarasya Ekarah Syat. Angi pratyay pare. Ang is the saudhnya given to the tritiya vibhakti ekvachana pratyaya ta. So when there is ta pratyay in front of abanta anga, abanta akara, that akara will be replaced by a. So rame a, then echoyavayavah ramaya, that form we got. Ramabhyam ramabhyam, ramabhihi, ramabhis ramabhihi, that's what we get. Then rama nge. In this situation, one sutra comes. What is that sutra? Rama nge. Ngit pratyay is there in front of it. Yadapah. Abantat nitsu yad agamasyat, nitam yad agamasyat. When there is nit pratyay in front of abanta anga, nit pratyay will get yat agama. Now this yat is tit, therefore it comes and it sits before pratyaya. It becomes adi anga of it. So Rama ya ta will disappear. Rama ya a, and then vruddhi adesha happened between a of ya and a of nge pratyaya. I happened yai, Rama yai, Rama yai. That's what we got the form. Ramabhyam, Ramabhya, no prakriya, just connecting them. Then Rama dhana ngasi, ikara disappeared, ng disappeared, as remained, Rama dhana as. The yat agama happened here also because it is nit pratyaya. Apaha nitam yat agama syat. Yat came, it sat before the nit pratyay, which is ngasi. Rama ya as. A and a were replaced by dirgha akara, akasya varne dirgha. Rama yas, Rama yas. Sa turned into ru, sasajusho ruhu. Then ukara disappeared, sasajusho just ra remained, Rama yar. Then ra turned into visarga, kharavasane or visarjaniya, Rama yaha. Rama bhyam, Rama bhyah, no vishishta prakriya as it is. Then Rama dhana ngas. Same prakriya which we did for Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachana. Rama as, Rama yat as, Rama ya as, ya and a akasavarane dirgha, Rama ya s, Rama ya s, Rama ya a s, Rama yas, Rama yaru, Rama yar, and Rama yaha karavasane visarjaniya. Then Rama dhana os. Here something happened. What happened here? Rama dhana os. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan. Angicha apaha. Now this cha is bringing osi cha. That osi shabda is brought from the previous sutra, which is osi cha, and we get the meaning. Angi pare sati abantasya angasya ekarah syat. Osi pare sati abantasya angasya ekarah syat. So here there is os. When it is in front of abanta anga, akara of that abanta anga is replaced by ekara. We get the form rame os. Ekara is replaced by ay. Echo yavayavah. Rama ram ay os. Ramayos. Ramayos. Then ramayos sa turns into ru, sasajusho ruhu. Then upadeshe janonasiket ukara will disappear. Ramayor. Ra will turn into visarga. Kharavasane or visarjaniya. Ramayoho. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan. Rama dhana am. Rama dhana am. Abanta anga is there. What will come here? Rasvanadhyapo nut. Rasvantat nadyantat abantat. Anga is abanta and there is am pratyaya. So nut agama will come to am pratyaya. So Rama nut am Rama na am, Rama nam. Then Atku Pwangnum, the Parjanyaval Lakshana Pravrutti, Akara will turn again into Akara, Rama, Nam. Then Atku Pwangnum Yavayepi. Rashabhyam Nona Samanapade. It is Samanapada. Na will turn into Na. Even with the Vyavadhana of At, Kup, Wang, Num. Of these, even if they are in between, Na will turn into Na by At, Kup, Wang, Num Yavayepi. Though there was Vyavadhana of Ma and A, yet we turned that Na into Na and we got the Ramanam form. Then Rama Dhana Ni, Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. What will happen here?
Two sutras. One is Yadapaha and the other one is Ngeram Nadyam Nibhyah.
Ngeram Nadyam Nibhyah is the sutra. We will apply it first. Ni is getting replaced by Am. Ngehe Am Syat. Kada? Nadyantat, Abantat, Anyantat. Okay. So here there is Abanta Anga. Abantat, Ngehe Am Syat. So Ni will be replaced by Am. So Rama Am. Rama Am. Now whatever the characteristics were there in the Ni Pratyaya, all those characteristics will be passed to the Am. So it is also Nit. Therefore, Yadapaha, the application of Yadapaha Sutra is Nirbadha. So there is no problem to apply this sutra because Nitva Dharma is there in the Am, Am Adesha. So Rama Am, Yat comes, Rama Yat Am. Rama Yat Am. Ta disappears, Halantyam Tasya Lopaha, Rama Ya Am. A and A. A of Ya and A of Am. Both of them. Again, Savarna Dirgha takes place. We get new A, fresh. Both the Akaras will disappear and we will get new A. Rama Ya A Ma Ramayam. Form is ready. No any other prakriya. Rama Dhana Os. Saptami Bhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya. What will happen here?
Angi Chapaha.
Angi cha Apaha. Angi pare sati Apaha Akarasya Ekarasya. Osi pare sati Apaha Akarasya Ekarasya. So we get Rama Os, Rama Os, that Ram A Os, Ram A Os. Ekara came in the place of A. So Ram A Os. Ekara again gets replaced by I by HOAY Avaha. Ram Ay Os, Ramayos. Ramayos. Sa turns into Ru, Sasajushoruhu. Upadeshe Janonasikai, Tasya Lopa, Ukara disappears. Ramayor. Ra turns into Visarga, Kharavasana Visarjaniya, Ramayoho. Rama Dhana Sup. Pa disappears, Halantyam Tasya Lopa, Rama Su. No Prakriya, Rama Su. No Adesha Pratyayo Sutra is applicable. Then Rama Dhana Su. Sambodhana Ekavachana. What will happen here? Sambuddhaucha Sutra is applicable again in the Prakarana of Ekara. Sambuddhau pare sati Apaha Ekarah Syat. Abantasya Akarasya Ekarah Syat. We get Rama, that Akara changing into Ekara. So Rame Sa. Rame Sa. Anga is becoming now Enganta. Therefore, Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe. Sambuddhe Sakarasya Lopah Syat when there is Enganta Anga. Rame Sa will disappear. Rame will remain. He Rame. Sambuddhi Ekvachana. Sambodhana Ekvachana form is ready. Rama Dhana Au of Prathama Bhakti Dvivachana, which is for Sambodhana. Au will be replaced by Aunga Apaha, by She. So Rama She, Rama I, Rame by Adgunaha. He Rame. He Rame Prathama Bhakti Sambodhana Ekvachana. He Rame Sambodhana Dvivachana. Rama Dhana Jas. Ja will disappear by Chutu. As will be there. Then Rama As. Ram A As. A and A. Both of them will be replaced by Akara by Prathamayo Purva Savarnaha. Akasavarne Dirgha. Prathamayo Purva Savarnaha. Dirgha Jasicha Akasavarne Dirgha. This is the order. And then we will get Ramas. Ramaru. Ramar. Ramaha. He Ramaha. Sambodhana Bahuvachana form is ready. So here दीर्घ आकारांत शब्द स्त्रीलिंग is over. Should we conclude today's class here, Swamiji? Should we do Shantipat, Swamiji?
Yes.
Yes. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम सर हरि ओम
हरि ओम.
हरिओम जी.
हरि ओम.